I'm Annalicia Winnaar. I joined Teach the Nation back in 2020, so I'm cohort 1 and I'm currently teaching at Kraaifontein High School. When I thought of the fellowship, I felt that I got a lot of support, a lot of guidance. I don't think I would have made it this far or been successful in any shape or form if it wasn't for my coach Ishmael that I had at the time, and as well as the support and guidance from David and Emily. After the fellowship, I have been involved with Teach for All. I was involved with the African Leadership Committee of Teach for All. Last year, October, I attended the global conference in Kenya. This year, I was invited to attend the conference in Joburg with the African Leadership Academy. And I've also now recently been promoted to the acting HOD of the Afrikaans Department. When I joined the fellowship, I was definitely in a bit of a pickle because at the time I was a store manager and it was during December. So I had to make a decision, am I going to take the leap of faith and join Teach the Nation and lose a stable income and a stable job, not knowing what was going to happen and I had, bills to pay? Or was I going to take the chance and join the fellowship and see where it takes me? And then I ended up leaving my job. I was unemployed for a month, but I had full faith in God and full faith in the process. Teach the Nation's vision and mission was very inspiring because they believe that every child deserves good quality education. And that's what I believe as well. Irrespective of your household income, your circumstances, the area in which you live, you deserve good quality education. Work hard. It's not easy. There are some days where you feel, why did I do this? Where did I get myself into? But joining Teach the Nation has been the best thing I've ever done for my career. And I have no regret at all joining this organization. It has helped me grow as a person. It has helped me grow in my career. And I am definitely grateful to David and Emily and everyone from Teach for All who has helped me on my journey.